So Sun Satya is out today. I mean, I don't know what to say. I just want everybody to see it, and fingers crossed they will like it. I love the song. I think it's a very beautiful song. It's very melodious. Sachin Jigar have done a fantastic job, and Bezoba Phirse has done really well. We've got a lot of love and affection for it. So I hope that Sun Satya also gets as much of love and affection. What I really love about the song about Sun Satya, and I feel like it's not been seen before in Indian cinema, is that Remo sir consciously decided to play around with the edit of the song in a way where he wanted to keep longer takes, which in this song, of course, it's intercut with montages of me and me and Varun. But in the film, you would see that he's wanting to keep longer takes. He deliberately didn't want to keep any close-ups. How in typical songs there would be intercuts between close-ups, but here he's kept seamless takes. That's exactly what he wanted. That's exactly what he said that he wants to keep the edit as. So we had to keep dancing till basically he called cut. We couldn't stop. Kruti, who has taught me this song, if you see Kruti is a very lean and fit girl by the end of, and she's like thin lean. So by the end of this song and by the end of ABC2, if you put me and Kruti standing next to each other, you'll just see a little bit of a height difference, but our bodies have become the same now. She's taught me Sun Satya and my body has become like hers. I have also become thin and lean, and that's also something that Remo sir wanted. Very specifically, he said that he wanted me to change as and look like a dancer. So I hope that I have made him happy with that. I did end up losing weight, and all the dancing did, it makes you feel great. Anybody who dances, it makes you feel really good. Yeah, I hope everyone likes the song. I hope so. It's out today. So the dance style in Sun Satya is lyrical hip hop. It's the first time that I am doing any kind of like dance in any of my films, and it's the first time I think even Varun is doing lyrical hip hop. So it's not the typical kind of Bollywood kind of dancing that you would see. It's actually far from it. Yes, it's a Hindi song, but the dance forms through the film, there will be house, there will be lyrical hip hop, there will be crumping, there will be various styles, various styles throughout all the songs in the film.